Single-celled organisms, also known as unicellular organisms, are living entities that consist of just one cell. They are the simplest form of life, and they can be found in every corner of the Earth, from deep sea vents to Arctic tundra. In this explanation, we will discuss the characteristics, classification, and types of single-celled organisms in depth. Characteristics. Single-celled organisms are microscopic and can only be seen with a microscope. They have a simple structure consisting of a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material, either DNA or RNA. They reproduce asexually, meaning they can produce offspring without the need for a partner. They can adapt quickly to changing environments through mutations and natural selection. Classification. Single-celled organisms are classified into two main groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular organisms that lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They include bacteria and archaea. They are found in diverse environments such as soil, water, and the human body. They are important in various processes such as nutrient cycling, fermentation, and disease. Eukaryotes are unicellular or multicellular organisms that have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They include protists, fungi, plants, and animals. And these organisms can be found in diverse environments such as soil, water, and other organisms. Eukaryotes are important in various processes such as oxygen production, food webs, and human health. Types of single-celled organisms. Bacteria. These are the most common and diverse prokaryotic organisms. They can be found in every environment and have various shapes and structures. Some bacteria are beneficial to humans, while others can cause diseases. Archaea. These are a group of prokaryotic organisms that can thrive in extreme environments, such as hot springs and acidic water. They are important in various processes such as methane production and nutrient cycling. Protists. These are eukaryotic organisms that are unicellular or multicellular. They have diverse structures and functions, and they can be found in diverse environments such as soil and water. Some protists are beneficial to humans, while others can cause diseases. Fungi. These are eukaryotic organisms that are unicellular or multicellular. They have a cell wall made of chitin and are important in various processes such as nutrient cycling and decomposition. Some fungi are beneficial to humans, while others can cause diseases. Algae. These are eukaryotic organisms that are unicellular or multicellular. They have diverse structures and functions, and they are important in various processes such as oxygen production and food webs. Some algae are beneficial to humans, while others can cause harmful algal blooms. Basically, single-celled organisms are the simplest form of life, consisting of just one cell. They are classified into two main groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. They have diverse structures and functions, and they are important in various processes such as nutrient cycling, oxygen production, and human health.